So here I am in my Google Drive and I want to make a new presentation using the Google Slides format. So I would go to New and choose Google Slides. This looks very much like Keynote or PowerPoint when you first start. So you will be presented with the Choose a Theme dialog where you can choose a theme provided by Google right from the beginning. I'm going to click on Dark Gradient. I will point out that you can import a theme from another Google's presentation should it not be pictured here by clicking on this button, Import Theme. You'll be prompted to find that Google presentation where the theme resides. Also, the slide size is by default widescreen, 16 by 9. You can adjust it to 16 by 10 or go back to the standard 4 by 3. I'm going to leave it on the widescreen ratio, and then I'm going to click on OK. First, I'm going to give this presentation a title, and I do that by clicking on the title, just like I do with a Google Doc. This works just like PowerPoint. I could just click where the text is on the template and start typing. If I wanted to add another slide, I could click on the plus sign, or I could click down as well at that plus sign and then choose from different slide formats. I'm going to pick one, the title and body. I'm just going to be adding a title here. If I wanted to have a bullet or a number, whatever I'm putting on my slide, I would go and type the text in the box area. Basically, I would want to go and find the bullets to do that. Look, I'm going to do the back button here. I was in the wrong one. There we go. Go under More. And then I could add the bullets. I could go and click off of this and look at the top and see that I could change the background to the slide. So say I wanted to give it a color, or I wanted to put an image, I would click on the image and find a picture, and that would be in the background, or I could reset it back to the theme. Here's another place where I can change the layout of the slide if I don't like the layout that I was using. And I could click on Theme as well up in this toolbar and change the theme. So it gives me that dialog box. I could also set transitions between slides. So I can choose from a number of different transitions. So I click on the Transitions button, and this Animations pane is here in the right-hand side. I could choose from several different transitions. Fade is a pretty common one. I could change the speed at which it will transition, and I could apply to all slides so that all the slides will have that transition between them. If I'm using the Chrome browser, I could drag photos or graphics right from my desktop into the presentation. So I'm going to move this over a little bit, add a slide, maybe make it blank. And then I'm going to drag this file right from my desktop. The PNG file comes right in very quickly. It may take a little bit of time for it to import, but if you're using Chrome, it should come in very well. I could also add a video to my presentation. So I'm going to add another slide, maybe put title up here. Then I would go to the Insert menu to put the video in, go to Insert Video, and I could do a YouTube search right here, or I could paste the URL from the YouTube video here as well. So if I was doing something on Homer, it's a little mixed here. Let's see, here's one. Okay, I'd select, there we go, and there it imports into my presentation. As a teacher, you could have students collaborate with one another to create a single presentation, or you could create multiple slides here in one particular Google slideshow and then share the link to the slides with the students in the class. You may want to set it up that anyone with a link could edit, or you may want to share specifically with the students. Then the students would have specific slides they'd work on. Say you could put the person's name at the top of each slide. There are all different ways that you can use Google Slides in a collaborative environment. If I wanted to present, say I was presenting in front of teachers or the class, I would click on the present button at the top. And here's my video. I could just press, and it plays very beautifully. Here are the controls in the lower left for advancing and the exit. And that's Google Slides. Thanks for watching.